Hi, Mike. Congrats sa engagement. Finally. I'm really happy for you, Mai. And I wish you all the best for you and for your future husband-to-be. And sana all, diba? But yeah, you deserve it. You deserve all the happiness in the world because you are a good person. And you're such a sweet girl also. I miss our bondings and hope to see you soon. And congratulations. Good luck.
Hi, Tita Mai.
Hi, Mai. Gusto lang sanang sabihin na masaya akong nakilala ka kahit sa maikling panahon, isa ang mabuting kaibigan. As you go back home to begin this beautiful chapter of your life, I wish you all the happiness, love, and blessing in your journey ahead. Congratulations, Mai, and may your future filled with joy and laughter. Ayan, masaya kami. And good luck sa iyong new journey. Say bye-bye, tita.
Bye-bye, Tita.
Kumusta sa tanan? Then ba yung gabi ninyo dya tanan? Wish unta makana sa despedida party ni Maymay. Inya unsaon di amang ko sa layo. Di ano pas layo nangita og waward. So ako lang masulti kabahin ni Maymay na good luck sa bagong journey nimo. Sa unsay decision nimo, good luck sa imong bagong journey. Muli kag Pinas o magminyo. So good luck sa mga Dubai family nako. Miss na kayo tamong tanan diha. So wish unta nako makana diha unya sa taman. Dias layo ngita og waward. So magkita-kita pa rin sa kuan ta kung may time pero sa Pinas na. Sige, bye-bye.
Hello guys. Hello everyone. Hello Mai. Moy. Balita na ako nga for good na daw ka sa Pinas. Sana kitag afam. Mustang afam day. O kadra. Bitaw. Matagparta day bi. Bitaw day. I'm so happy na nakakita na kasi yung the one. And then magpakasal na daw ka. Kanya pagpabuntis ha. Namka kay matris. Sure na dyan ka anak. Thank you for all the memories, mine, and good luck sa inyong new chapters in inyong life. And hinaot nga hindi ka mausap and keep in touch lang yapon. And we love you and we will miss you. And then di nagpa magkita diha sa Dubai. And bye bye. We love you.
Hey there. So I got asked to make a video to reassure your family there in the UAE that I'll take good care of you. They must not know that I already promised to always have rice in the house. And I know it's Jasmine white rice, any brand. And as long as Jemima's with me, she'll always have rice. She'll always have somebody that snores louder than she does, and somebody who doesn't need any bed covers because she's cooking me out of the bed. But it's going to be great. See you soon.